Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Hyundai Palisade wiper blades. Lift the wiper arm, press the release tab, and slide the blade off the hook. Clean the arm and pin area to remove dirt and corrosion before fitting the new blade. Align the new blade with the hook, slide it into place until you hear a click, and lower the arm gently to finish. Start by turning the ignition off and lifting the wiper arm away from the glass. Hold the arm steady and press the small release tab on the blade connector with your thumb or a flat tool. Slide the old blade straight out of the hook while supporting the arm to prevent it from snapping back. Place the removed blade aside and inspect the hook for any damage or buildup before installing the new one. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help support more how-to videos. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while working on your Palisade. It seals tight and fits most cup holders so it won't roll off the hood. I've put the link and a few other deals in the description for easy access. Now let's get back to the video. Align the new blade so its connector matches the Palisade hook and slide it in firmly until you hear a definite click. Tug lightly to confirm the blade is locked in place and won't detach under use. Repeat the process for the other side, ensuring both blades sit flush against the windshield when lowered. Test the wipers on low speed with washer fluid to make sure they operate smoothly and clear the glass evenly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.